In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a page in Canva Docs. Whether you're creating a report, a workbook, or a multi-page document, knowing how to quickly add pages will make your workflow much smoother. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along in your own Canva account. First, open Canva in your browser and sign in if you haven't already. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to select a design to work on. You can either open an existing Canva doc that you've already created, or start a new one. To start fresh, go to the search bar at the top of the page and type in Docs or Canva Docs. Then, click on the Canva Docs option and choose a template or begin with a blank document. This becomes your main working file. Once your Canva doc is open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Your current page will be in the center of the screen. To manage and add pages, you'll use the Pages panel, which is typically located at the bottom or side of your workspace, depending on your current layout and screen size. Now, look for the section labeled Pages beneath your document. Here, you'll see a small thumbnail of your current page, and as you add more, they'll appear in order. This panel is where you can see the overall structure of your document, navigate between pages, and manage them more easily. To add a new page, move your cursor to the Pages area. You should see either a plus symbol or a button that says Add Page. Click on the plus sign or the Add Page button. Canva will immediately create a new blank page and place it after the current one. If your design is a template, the new page might copy the style or layout, which can help keep your document consistent. You can repeat this action as many times as needed to build out your document. If you ever add a page by mistake, you can simply delete it from the Pages panel. You can also click and drag those page thumbnails to reorder them and keep your content organized, and that's all there is to it. By selecting your design, opening the Pages section, and using the plus or Add Page option, you can quickly build multi-page Canva docs for any project.